Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 5 on our Daniel fast, and before we get to the recipe, let's get to the Bible verses for day 5 and our quote. I want to believe you are enjoying this. Yes, so give it a try. Okay, so I made uses of Daniel 5, Psalm 127 and Psalm 128. Our quote reads, "You may be at the end of your rope, but not at the end of your hope. You may be down in the deep ditches of defeat and despair, but you need not stay there. Through Christ, you can get up again and go on." It's from the book Hope Through the Dark, but the original writer of this quote is unknown, and the book was written by Samuel Cratton Pepim. You can get it and read it and you'll love it. Okay, so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribe, like and share the video, and click on the notification bell. So this is day 5. We are going to have some wheat and Bambara beans. Yes, you're going to love it. So we are going to cook our wheat. This is whole wheat, yes. And I'm using coconut oil. You can omit the oil or you can use olive oil. I just dropped in some few onions for flavor. Yes, and I'm going to add water to this. And I'll be making use of 1 cup of wheat. I've added salt to it. 1 cup of wheat, which is in Ghana is half cup. So this is half cup in Ghana, but the white man is 1 cup. Yes, and so cover, checking on it. You don't need to give it too much water. Yes, and we are going to cover with napkin. Give it time for it to simmer and cook very well. At this point, our wheat is ready, so we'll set it aside and serve it. So I'm making my sauce. I have a video on how to make this sauce, and so I'm going to leave the link there for you to watch. This is Daniel fast sauce, yes, and also going to add some veggies to it. A bit of coleslaw. Yes, this is Daniel fast coleslaw. Okay, so we'll also be grating our carrot. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Yes, sprinkle some salt. I'll add water and rinse it before I serve it. And this is my salad dressing. I have a video there. I'll leave the link for you also to watch. That is Daniel fast salad dressings. Okay, so we are going to serve with our beans. This is Bambara beans already cooked. Yes, so we are going to serve it with avocado also. Yes. Okay, so this is it for today's recipe. Give it a try and you are going to love it. So please, if you are watching me and you don't know anything about Daniel fast, I'll leave a link of what Daniel fast is all about in the description box so that you can watch and understand. And also, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video for me, okay? And do well to click on the notification bell. Bye bye.